Hello everyone and welcome to World Lottery Players. So today we're going to talk about a lottery strategy called numbers past due. And what this lottery strategy is if you're tracking the lottery numbers that are picked by the lottery system with every drawing, you can notice that some numbers don't come up for a long time. So what we want to do is we want to use that information to pick some of those numbers, which should increase our chances to win the lottery. So let's see, let me give you an example of that. So if I go here and let's say I was playing Mega Millions and I was going to pick some numbers. So here I'm playing an online game. But let me just give an example. So say I am looking at the history of numbers chosen and I see that the number 15 was not chosen for the past 10 drawings, for example. Then that means this number is due. It's been a long time since it's come up, so statistically speaking, it should be chosen at some point. So if I do 15, and let's say I see another number with a similar situation, like 19, and I pick, I can pick just some, or maybe I could pick all 5 numbers that I think are past due. That doesn't necessarily mean only past due numbers will come up, but statistically it should be a better chance, and it's something you can try. So let's say I found that 15, 19, 35, and 38 and 59 are past due, for example. Then I could look at the mega balls to see the history of the mega balls chosen and see which one of those are past due. And let's say I see that the one that has not been chosen for the longest time was, for example, 22. So you can look at this public information to see what numbers have been chosen over the history of Mega Ball or Powerball, Mega Millions or Powerball or any other lottery system to see what numbers have been chosen, and you can see which numbers are past due. And then you can make a list of what numbers are past due, for example, and then there might be more than 6 numbers that are past due, so we could do other numbers that are past due, like for example if I did here 3, 20, 35, 58, and 69, for example, and a 10, maybe those are also past due. So basically you just look at what numbers are past due and you can find a source that'll tell you that, and then you just pick those numbers to try to win. So if you want to read more about this or other lottery strategies, just head over to WorldLotteryPlayers.com and we can help you out with increasing your chances to win the lottery. Okay, thanks again, and I'll see you next time.